The United States on Thursday welcomed the conviction of outlawed Jamaat-ud Dawa (JuD) chief Hafiz Saeed on charges of terror financing. United States Chief Diplomat for South Asian Affairs Alice Wells commended the steps taken by Pakistan to combat terror financing and pointed out that this was in line with what Prime Minister Imran Khan had said. The conviction of Hafiz Saeed and his associate is an important step forward, both toward holding LET accountable for its crimes and for Pakistan in meeting its international commitments to combat terrorist financing, Wells said in a statement after the verdict. And as Imran Khan has said, it is in the interest of Pakistan's future that it not allow non-state actors to operate from its soil, she added. The ATC had on Wednesday convicted Saeed and his associate Malik Zafar Iqbal on terror charges. Iqbal, a close aide of Saeed, was also sentenced to 5.5 years each in both cases. He was the secretary of the Al-Anfal Trust, also run by the JuD. The convicts were facing Sections 11F2, 11N, 11H, 11K of Anti-Terrorism Act in both FIRs. The court awarded 6 months jail to Saeed and Zafar under 11F2, ADA being a member of a banned outfit and supporting and arranging meetings of a proscribed organization, in FIR No 30/2019 registered by the CTD Lahore. In the same FIR, the convicts have been awarded 5-year jail term under Section 11N ADA money laundering, illegal fundraising and buying properties from raised funds. In FIR No 32/2019 registered by the CTD Gujranwala, the JuD leadership was awarded 5 months jail term under Section 11F2 ADA member of a banned outfit, arranging activities of organization and extending support. 5-year jail term was awarded in this FIR under 11N ADA. The court also imposed a fine of 15,000 rupees to both the convicts in each case. Both the sentences would run concurrently and the convicts have been given benefit of Section 382B of the Criminal Procedure Code (CRPC). This means that both convicts will have to undergo only 5.5 years jail term and the time of their jail term will start from the date of arrest. The conviction of Saeed also strengthens Islamabad's case at the Financial Action Task Force (FATF), which is set to meet this month to decide on Pakistan's fate. Pakistan was placed on the grey list by the FATF in June 2018 and was given a plan of action to complete it by October 2019 or face the risk of being placed on the blacklist along with Iran and North Korea. However, in October 2019 meeting, the FATF board noted that Pakistan addressed only 5 out of the 27 tasks given to it in controlling terror funding and money laundering. It asked Pakistan to swiftly complete its full action plan by February 2020. A team led by Minister for Economic Affairs Hamad Azhar defended the country's compliance report during the joint group of FATF meeting held in Beijing last month. The FATF was satisfied with the report that the country submitted to the international watchdog as part of review process.